Good afternoon, dear students, and a happy morning. Today I am going to explain about article number 5, that is forms. Forms, in that forms 2 exercise. One is basic explanations about all the forms and usage, buttons, radio buttons, and submit, reset, everything we see separately. But in this employee registration problem of the exercise, that is article number 5, employee registration. How to go for uh, how to do the exercise. Notepad. How to select notepad. Select start window. All the program. After all the program, then accessories. In accessories, notepad. Select notepad. There, going to click file and open this file. Basic face, one single space, forms, EMP or EG. Okay, so like that you select the files. Once select the files, you get these following HTML code. So in this HTML code, I am going to explain line by line. So all of you carefully listen line by line and how these forms are coming. So it is a easy coding, not in difficult. Here every program, HTML program starts with HTML and body. Within the body only some text will come. Okay, that body also it is center alignment. Then so here the IMG SRC. So image SRC and attribute. This employee underscore icon dot png is a image file. Okay, it is height 52, width 52. So this image file is not available in D drive. Okay, so because of that, that image is not displayed. Here 52 height and width, it is there, not displayed any image. Next line, font size within quote +3. Okay, so color equal to red. What is the text? Employee registration form. Here font open, font close. Here font open and close. Within the font, this text will be red color. Okay, employee registration form will display in red color. Next one, in this forms maximum all the table are involved. Two important table row, table data. So that two, it is very important. Here table row, within the table row, here table row, here open. So then table data and table data closed. Okay, table data open here, input radio, name equal to initial, check. What you check? Mr. Okay, so here radio button is there. So Mr. and Mrs. Miss. So here it is click selected radio button is Mr. That only check. So remaining ordinary input type equal to radio name equal to initial. So Mrs. input type equal to radio name equal to initial Miss. Okay, table here TD table data is open, here it is closed. So TR is actually here open, here closed. Then TR is open. Then next starts with form first name. Then within the text box So the input type equal to text name equal to fn, placeholder equal to first name. Placeholder first name is within the box, so first name will display, but it is overwritable. Okay, here dd is open, dd is closed. Likewise, here last name also displayed. Then here 9-1. Okay, fn placeholder equal to first name. Okay, so that everything it is rewritable. Here last name it is there, last name also rewritable. Then dr is closed and dr is open. Here mail address 1. Address you can type mail address. So here street name, land name and village name, post office name, and then taluk name, district name. Okay, so all you can type address 1 corresponding your particular employee registration form, particular employee address 1 and address 2. Then city here options is given the state, but city nahi. Here state Maharashtra, city is Kolhapur. Okay, ZIP, that is for pin code, it is 412141. Okay, so you will get clear. So pin code and then city name Maharashtra, state name Maharashtra, city name Kolhapur, corresponding address Ichalkaranji, Yadav Ichalkaranji, first name and last name. Okay, so Mr. Mrs. means first name, last name, you type as it is. Here another, here address 1, address 2, same input type equal to text name equal to address 1, dd open, dd closed, tr closed. Then address 2, same type, input type equal to text name equal to address 2, and dd open, dd closed. Tr here already open, tr closed. Okay, so then tr is open. City input type equal to text name equal to ct, dd open, dd double data closed. tr already open, tr closed. Tr open, state it is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Delhi. Okay, so likewise some options are given: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and as well as Delhi. Okay. Here Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi. Here option is there. Arrow mark, if you click here no, so then automatically you will get Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi. You can select Maharashtra and so already it is the address of Kolhapur, so that you can select Maharashtra. Then choose file. Here update photo, no. Photo it is 100 KB only will accept. So if each and every photo scan 250, 300 KB are there, so you can reduce that is resize the photo and upload here. Resize the photo and upload here. Here select option. So here in this state no, select option attribute is there. Then option value Gujarat. Okay. So likewise option, many options is there. You can select, press this arrow mark and select any one city. Here's zip code as usual. So upload the photo here, input type equal to file name equal to photo. So dd is open, dd is closed. Here tr is already here open, here closed. tr table row, email only, it is 30 character, size is 30. So only the text name equal to email, size 30. only will accept. DD open, DD close, table row also closed, then table row open. Mobile number, the input type equal to text equal to MOP, placeholder equal to within quote 91. Here rewritable number, it is an Indian number, so it is a code of +91 India. Okay, you can type remaining number. So this is replaceable, that is for overwritable. DD is open and DD is closed. Then TR already open, TR is closed. Like each and every line of the forms have code, so you must understand the code. Okay, so see parallelly the execution, then only you understood that program how it is executed. Then next one is text area, and then here here mobile number already over. Here language node, it is in checkbox. So in this checkbox used to square box. So in that square, if you selected one tick mark will come. So that is for checkbox. Here language node. Here language node. Did you open? Did you close? Then did you open input type check box name equal to LKLU equal to Gujarati check Gujarati. Okay, check if come. So that option is already selected. Gujarati options is already clicked. Hindi default you know, then English also default you know, Marathi also you know. Here Hindi check. Okay, so same line of code, Hindi check. So same line of code I given you equal to English check English. Okay, so if you don't want Gujarati, then click on Marathi. Then Gujarati, you remove that check. Okay, so once remove that check automatically, so this option is not in selection based tick mark. So here Marathi automatically will come. So here Marathi check means automatically Marathi will be selected. Then next one is additional information. Additional information means 3 rows and column 20. That much you can type, but optional. So here placeholder equal to optional. Optional above you write about your information, then the experience, then your technical knowledge. Okay, so like that, whatever you want, that is an additional information. You can type it up to 3 rows and 30 columns. Placeholder value is optional, it is overwritable. Then next one is TD input type submit value equal to submit. So ampersand get the input, ampersand NP SP get the input of the submit. Submit once click, then automatically input is passed to that address of the NPSP. Okay, all the values submitted. All the values are submitted. If here connected with any database, then automatically all the information stored in the database. We are not connected any database, so that it is not stored anywhere. Excel sheet also access, you can store the data, but access also not linked with this program. So that once submitted, so all the information is there. It is okay. So if you don't want the information in the screen now, so you press restart, automatically that information, all informations, it is restarted, but no information is available as usual. Whatever the employee registration form entry level, that must be available. Okay, so that's all in practical number 5. Each and every execution you have to check the program, and you must understand the execution. So that is very important. Coding and as well as here all text box. Okay, so here only the checkbox is available here. Here radio button is available here. Okay, so likewise here text area, you can type n number of characters, additional information. Then submit means automatically submitted. Reset means I can